Hello traders. Today is the 3rd of November, Tuesday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the results. Just to recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside 4-hour analysis with a live audio commentary support. Today we had amazing volatility. I think that because of the US election and most of the traders banked more than 100 pips today. All right, so as you can see on Aussie dollar on the left hand side is the analysis, and the right side is the trade taken based on that analysis. This was the pattern breakout. You can see consolidation breakout, beautiful long trade, even price hit first and the second fifth channel. Beautiful long trade we had on Aussie dollar. As you can see in pound dollar, pretty straightforward based on the momentum. Beautiful long trade and price nicely hit to the final target. Euro yen, again, pretty straightforward, beautiful breakout long trade. Dollar CAD, such an amazing and beautiful trade. As you can see, this was the breakout. Price nicely hit to the final target. Beautiful short trade on dollar CAD. Um, Euro USD, pretty straightforward. Triangle pattern breakout, beautiful long trade. Pound Swiss franc breakout after the breakout pullback long trade. Pound yen, as you can see, this was the consolidation as mentioned on the analysis. And the morning, if you look at the momentum, beautiful breakout, first target nicely hit, and the final target nicely hit. As you can see, such a beautiful trades today. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the channel breakout, long trade, and dollar CAD even after the long really beautiful bank profit, and we did another analysis. Look for the counter long trade, and we have few more pips on the counter long trade. Beautiful counter long trade on dollar CAD, pound dollar. Again, that's the New York session analysis. We already had London morning bank, beautiful pips. Another consolidation developed, beautiful breakout. Our final target was the red fib channel, which is priced nicely hit to the target profit. Beautiful long trade on pound dollar, pound Swiss franc, another breakout long trade. Dollar CAD, another beautiful, you can see as mentioned on the analysis. We were expecting a long trade, but as I said, to explain to my trader, we should be only looking if the price gonna break the previous high or the previous low. As you can see, the price nicely broken the previous low. Beautiful, another few more pips, very good pips on dollar CAD. Euro pound, pretty straightforward. Another channel breakout, short trade. And Euro USD, another beautiful pullback. As mentioned on the analysis, if the price can respect this orange EMA, around this orange EMA, and we announce that one based on the momentum, beautiful long trade. And Kiwi dollar, another beautiful long trade. And pound yen, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the sideways market develop based on the momentum. Beautiful breakout after the breakout, beautiful another pullback long trade. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. Beautiful pullback short trade. Pound yen, another pattern breakout short trade. Pound dollar, this one again, as you can see, head and shoulder pattern develop. Beautiful counter short trade on pound dollar. All right, guys, that's it. And I hope you enjoy all this analysis. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time, alongside with a live audio commentary support. Even if you don't have forex trading experience, no problem. We also provide full forex coaching and training. Or even if you are struggling in forex, join our platform and see all that analysis and the trade updates in real time and develop your trading skill alongside with the professional traders. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that pips every single day alongside with our professional trader. So, most welcome to join our fast growing trader community. And once again, thank you for watching this video. And I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.